Web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is project 2, e-commerce. We are here in the active listing page, which is the default page that we show to the visitors of our website. We have here different products, as we can see. Well, let's log in with a basic user's account. For example, this user. You can see here that we have other options in the menu that has just been available to the user. It's only available to the user that it has logged in. You can see here, first of all, you can see the products. We have here the auction listings page. We have a title here, then a small description. We can add it to our watch list. As you can see, it's there now. We can add it. Then we can see our watch list by clicking here. Let's go back, and we can remove it if we want, and our watch list will be empty again. We can place a bid. As you can see, we have here the current biggest bid is 317. Let's place, for example, 300. Let's see what's the result. It tells us that the bid should be greater than the current biggest bid. So let's place $318, for example. The bid was submitted successfully, and we can see that the price has changed here. We can put a comment here. And the comment will be added. This is a comment. So the watch list is empty. We can create a listing. For example, let's say CSS ebook 2021 description here. We can select a category, let's say books, starting bid of $15, for example. We can put an image of the product, but it is optional. And if we didn't put a link, a default image will be added to our product. Let's click submit. We can see here that the CSS ebook 2021 has been added successfully with the price. Okay, so let's see the categories now. Books. You can see that we have web programming ebook, we have JavaScript ebook 2021, and our just added product CSS ebook 2021. We have here, let's see the admin panel. We have to log in as admin in order to see this part of our project. A commit solo Raja. Okay, we can see here our models. We have auction listing, bids, comments, final bids, listing, users, and the watch list. We can add or delete users here. We have the current users with the super user e-commit, which is the admin of our website. We have the auction listing, CSS ebook, etc. We can delete products from here, and if we go back to we can see that the product, the CSS ebook, was deleted successfully. So that's it for our website. Thank you for paying attention, and see you in the next project.